Okay, at the end of this Call of Duty 5 Nazi Zombies game on Grease, you will see my, well not, I wouldn't say my face, but you will see me. Okay? Cameraman is not very good, no offense. He's just, I don't have game capture. Be quiet, guy. On me.
When are you gonna do it? Say it.
I almost died. Come on, man. Why are you in that weird position?
That looks so...
What's up with you? You hang on through your leg in your private part? Let's do this. I'm not going to help you if you look like that. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? No, seriously, where'd he go?
He left.
No, seriously, where'd he go? Ow! No, it says that he's in the game, but oh! Sorry. See, that can get awful. Not that I need any better, but... Okay. Here, you will see me now. Now do you see why I'm so good at this game?
Toes. Toes. Bye-bye.